Burping is my way of communicating. Yeah. Let's get it to 100K. Everybody go click on it, please. Maybe he'll make another one. I hope that's not on the compilation. There we go. I needed that. That literally hurt my chest so bad. Okay. I actually can't stand those. Yeah, I don't like them. And David even talked to me. He was like, ugh, I needed these. I feel so much pressure in my chest right now. He was like, if you use them and you like them, like, you can promote them. And like, I have to pee so bad. Okay. Count to, excuse me. Count to, kind of hot. That was kind of insane. Excuse me. Excuse me. This hurts. This hurts. Ow. Excuse me. Go. David's gonna see home. Whoa. David's gonna come home and see all these. Here. Okay. Here we go. That was so good, not good. I feel like there's so much built up carbonation. I should start taking them out 2 at a time, huh? Excuse me. Okay. Sorry. I forget some people hate burps. I'm so sorry. I just do it without thinking anymore. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm drinking so much carbonation. It's not fair for you to be like, don't do that. That was a solid burp. Thank you. It's like drinking glasses of Coke quickly. Fuck. I was there. Caleb was there. Excuse me. Do I need to follow you? I don't know, Chris. Do you? That baby's on top for sure. But I was gonna say. Ow. Holy. Or washed it after that. Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me again. Sorry. I will show my fit at 15,000 likes. I can't stop burping. I'm drinking carbonation. Yudi, you know this. You literally know that if I drink carbonation, this is what happens. I can't help it. Ugh. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. I'm drinking carbonation, okay? I can't help it. Excuse me. I literally can't stop. I can't stop burping. I'm sorry. It's because I have heartburn. Even have like a hiccups, kind of.
Need a bus? Just for content interaction.
Excuse me.
So you know it's money convo. I'm in a spaceship, change just dangling and poke got me swinging. High off a perk and your bitch, she look basic. And please stay away if you ain't bring.
Excuse me. Excuse me. This is for the boys. I'm dying. Cause I can't keep doing this, bro. My tummy hurts. I'm gonna do it to 5. Okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry if you hate burps. Excuse me. It did hurt. It really did hurt. Excuse me. I'm sorry if you hate burping. Excuse me.
Hold it against it. You're not even doing it right.
I hate this. It's fine. 5 max. Yeah. I'm thinking 5. We'll do 5, okay? Excuse me. But like less long. 3, 2, 1, go.
Killing all your gains.
Ow. That was slow and that hurt like really bad. I don't know what it is, but these ones, they're kind of fizzier. Because they're not even cold.
You want to put them in the fridge?
No. That would make it worse. It's very spicy. To go to the bathroom. Here. Me? Excuse me. Sorry if you hate burping. I can't help it. I'm drinking carbonated things and it just happens. Here we go. That hurt. But it's down. Excuse me. I'm sorry if you guys hate burping. It's so weird because I come on live and like you guys don't care about burping at all. Like you don't mind it. But every time I burp like in front of people that I know, they're like, that is so disgusting. Please stop. It's not very ladylike. Hey, Maud. Excuse me. NFL, I have to see. So complicated. Excuse me. Sorry if you hate burping. Ow. That hurts so bad. Oh, Mia. That's what she said. Chug it 50K? Okay, I'll chug the whole thing at 50K. I'm sorry if you hate burping. I'm so sorry. I had to more burping, please, bro. I'm trying. I'm trying to make everyone happy. A lot of guys hate burping, so I don't want to do it too much. This hurts so bad. Excuse me. Okay, I have to fix my makeup. Let's see what we're working with. Excuse me. They just hurt. Like bad. Oh my god. I'm in pain. Like, there's way too much carbonation in those bitches. Ow. God. Excuse me. That is the first time I burped during this live. Actually, the first time I burped in a live for like a week, because that whole video traumatized me. Someone made a compilation of me burping. I never in a million years thought that would happen. Like, at all, ever. W burp. That is so funny to me. I'm gonna thumbs it up. I'm literally gonna hit the like button. Yes, 10 minutes. This thing goes on. It goes on for 10 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna either have to deal with it or cry about it. I love you guys.